Folks, we are entering the golden age of affiliate marketing right now because the internet is unstoppable and it's not going anywhere. We've seen port backups all across the US that are holding up e-commerce products, holding up Amazon FBA sellers, holding up e-commerce drop shippers who are using Facebook ads, and folks can't get their products because there's trade wars going on with China and there's massive amounts of manipulation in the media and what have you. So whereas local businesses and Amazon and online product sellers are getting crushed right now that are dependent on products from China, you can't shut down the internet. You can't shut down affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is going nowhere. It's completely independent. It's not dependent on a specific platform. For instance, selling on Amazon or selling on eBay or selling on Walmart or selling on Facebook Marketplace or selling on a specific platform. There's a lot more government regulation hitting the really big websites, the really big internet portals. So if you're dependent on a Google or a Facebook or an Instagram or a TikTok or a Pinterest or an Amazon or an eBay, whatever it is, affiliate marketing doesn't depend on any specific source. It's a link, right? It's a link or it's a phone number that is assigned to you that you can post anywhere you want. It's completely independent of any platform out there that you might have to deal with. A lot of folks are getting crushed because of all these new regulations that are coming in, sometimes either from the government or sometimes from the platforms themselves. It's completely flexible because you can rotate links. If an affiliate platform or program is not working out for you, you can easily set up link redirects on your side so that you don't have to actually worry about whether a product's going to go out of stock or whether a program gets shut down. The world is so volatile right now. It's more volatile than it's ever been in my lifetime, at least, and I'm 34 years old. You can change out anything you want. What I used to do when I was promoting affiliate products, specifically through Facebook ads in the weight loss industry, is these programs would go down all the time. So I would set up different rules to make sure that once I sold out one product, I would start selling another product. And sometimes I'd reach my cap. I'd sell too many products of over like 10 affiliate programs in a single day because I was hitting it hard, right? I was making almost $50,000 a day and I was working completely by myself, but I need a way to be flexible so that the money I'm spending on advertising or the traffic I'm getting from whether it's social media or whatever is actually making me money, right? I can't spend money on ads and not make money back. And what I love about affiliate marketing is that flexibility so that I'm never actually dependent on a specific company. I'm really just dependent on me finding traffic on social media networks or on Google or whatever you want to call it, right? I do everything. You know, I even do TV advertising to sell affiliate products. No matter what you're doing with affiliate marketing, you can sell it any way you want. And that's why I love it. Affiliate marketing is actually one of the oldest, if not the oldest business model for folks to make money with on the internet. It's been around for something, at least 25 years affiliate marketing has been around. And again, it survives because there's no way to stop it and it is so flexible and so platform independent. Over the years that I've been working online by myself, making money, I've seen so many fads go up and down. You know, eBay was a fad, Google AdSense was a fad, becoming an influencer has been a fad. You know, Amazon FBA, Walmart fulfillment. So many different programs I've seen over the years been touted as, you know, the new fad, the new way to make money. And what happens is some beginners get in, but usually by the time that there's a training course available on any of these make money online methods, the dudes who got in early made all the money. How much do you understand what I'm saying? Let me know if that makes sense. Most of the time, the dudes who come out with the training course, they made the money and now they're teaching about it. Affiliate marketing's been around for 25 years. Anybody can do it. The ways, it's about getting traffic, and the ways to get traffic are always changing, but the business model does not. I've made tons of money doing affiliate marketing. I still make tons of money doing affiliate marketing because, again, you can change it to whatever you want. You know, nowadays, usually what I do is I sell my own training courses first. Most folks who hear about me, they find my training course, but there are all other sorts of affiliate products that I sell to folks on my YouTube channel, right? Some of y'all want to use a website builder. I'm a big affiliate for ClickFunnels. I make about 10,000 plus a month from ClickFunnels because so many folks have watched my videos showing how to use ClickFunnels, right? I still recommend it. You know, folks have gone through my programs and gone into all sorts of things, right? But I promote different sorts of affiliate programs now that I'm an influencer with my own upfront training program and my own email list of, 1.5 million people. Affiliate marketing can change depending on whatever you're selling. If you're a wealth manager, you can work with investment affiliate programs. Or if you don't have any contacts and you're living in India, right, you can promote mobile apps. It's so nimble. There's so many options. There's so many shades. Anybody can get started in them. There's endless opportunities because it's always morphing. A lot of the programs that are coming out right now, a lot of the ways people are looking to make money online, whether it's trading crypto or whether it's Amazon FBA, or whether it's Shopify, drop shipping and Facebook ads or local business stuff. Some of these things get hot sometimes, some of these things get cold sometimes. A lot of them go away. Affiliate marketing's been here for a while, and there's a tech war going on. There's a war being fought between the US and China, and it's happening through technology, the internet, communication networks, biological networks, but no one can shut down the internet. The internet is unstoppable. Anybody can create a computer server. Anybody can host a website. Elon Musk has assured the internet is always going to be around because he sent little satellites into space to beam down the internet, and you can 3D print your own little satellite at home to get the internet. It's absolutely insane. And China and the US and all these governments try to regulate it, but it's decentralized. The internet is the ultimate decentralized communication network. And as long as the internet's around, affiliate marketing's gonna be around and people are gonna be making money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing's been growing a lot lately, and it's because there's so many new opportunities available. There's so many new high ticket programs available, and high ticket programs are where a lot of big money is to be made. Let me show you some of the best opportunities to make money in affiliate marketing right now. First is Clickbank. Clickbank pays out about $200 to $300 million a year to affiliates all around the world. I have a training course on there. It's the second top business opportunity training course, and you can earn a cool $600 commission for promoting my product, the Super Affiliate System, which is a training course teaching I've taught thousands and thousands of folks how to do affiliate marketing, tens of thousands actually. So I've taught folks how to do affiliate marketing. I've paid out millions of dollars worth of commissions to our affiliates. I've paid out not exactly, but something like $4.5 million to affiliates over the course of the last few years. So people are making a lot of money doing this. Clickbank specializes in information products. They do a few physical products. Here's one of the physical products that I actually use myself, Organifi. It's sort of like a health drink, right? And you can earn pretty good commissions on that too. I'm sure some affiliate out there is earning 50% commission on all my reorders that I do. Digistore is another great affiliate network that has a lot of programs. They specialize in information products as well. These are product categories that are completely immune from the trade wars and whatnot that are going on between China and all the weirdness that's going on in the world, right? Because most of the products on these platforms are delivered digitally, so you can't shut them down. And the last affiliate program is actually my own ultra high ticket program where you can earn $2,000 to $4,000 from a single commission. Okay, a single sale, a single click, a single lead can become a $2,000 to $4,000 commission in my program. This is absolutely insane. My affiliate program is not launched as of the filming date of this video, but it will be launched sometime soon, and I will put some sort of link up in the description to let you know about it and let you apply for the program. It will be application only, and you have to be accepted. It is a worldwide program. Anyone around the world can do it. All these deals are for my coaching program. My admissions officers talk to these folks, and they don't want to deal with bad quality leads. So we don't want to deal with affiliates who don't know what they're doing. We only want to work with affiliates who are sending quality traffic. So when you apply to my affiliate program, just send us screenshots, include proof. And if you aren't making any money from affiliate marketing yet, I don't know what you're doing. Make sure you watch all of my free traffic videos and start making sales. There's no reason why you shouldn't be making money right now. 30% of my audience here on YouTube has reported that my videos have made them money. 30% of my subscribers have reported my videos are helping them earn money on the internet. So if you haven't been earning money for whatever reason, watch more of my videos, and especially watch my free traffic methods, because I'd love to help you. And guys, there's a ton of opportunity here. I've been teaching affiliate marketing for a few years here. I've gotten tens of thousands of people started earning their first commissions. There's no reason for you not to be making money right now from the internet. I don't know what you're doing if you're watching these videos and not taking action. Make sure you sign up for these affiliate programs right now. Links should be in the description or somewhere. But I love working with you. I love talking with you. If you love these videos, give me a big hoorah! Prepare for just monster amounts of money in these coming turbulent economic times, because the tech industry, the internet industry is going nowhere. All of the opportunity is ours. Everyone else is going to be seeing their wages go down, inflation, all this crazy stuff, right? We're good, baby. We are good. So let's go get it. Leave a like, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will talk to you soon. Ciao.